For the production line of the future, data is the most valuable resource. The Intosite platform provides a virtual solution for managing electronics production systems. It features a digital twin of your manufacturing facility, enabling remote monitoring, performance analysis, and collaboration with team members, customers, and suppliers from anywhere in the world. An intuitive visual interface enables you to navigate through your facility to view production information from the shop floor. Access a zone, line, or individual machine to monitor performance, and view real-time metrics such as component placement and defects. Generate detailed performance reports to quickly identify bottlenecks and take remote action to optimize production. Seamlessly connect to the Ops Center Execution Production Client for in-depth machine insights. For example, click a visual inspection machine to view details of the PCB currently under review, including defects present on the panel, a detailed list of components, schematics, and work instructions. When a defect is identified, take remote action to touch up the defective component and log the repair. Zoom out to analytics dashboards to measure performance across one or multiple facilities. Analyze overall equipment efficiency and optimize production across your entire enterprise, comparing parameters such as availability, time, defect rates, and quality criteria. Zoom out further to analyze performance across multiple facilities within your enterprise. For example, determine why one site is performing better than another and optimize across all facilities. Back on the shop floor, monitor post-electronic stations, such as the CNC machine shown here. Seamless integration with the MES system connects you to data such as material requirements, machine work plans, and programming details. Navigate to a manual assembly station and view operator details and build requirements for a device. This augmented reality instructional video simplifies complex manual assembly operations. View a comprehensive system report and full traceability record, including all electronic and mechanical information generated during production of the device. Use additional reporting on machine utilization to analyze post-electronic station performance and identify opportunities for continued optimization. This is the shop floor of the future, and it's available for you today.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.